Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
This is which batch? Batch A, no? Is it?
Batch A.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Uh, we what we'll do now? Yeah, how many groups are there now?
Sir, three batches.
Three batches? No, no. In group, this in batch A, how many groups are there? Hello. Yeah. I will just take the attendance list.
Sir, around 4 to 5 groups.
4 to 5 groups. Okay, let me see. I'll just take the attendance list. So it is totally there are no, this is wrong. The final year guy. I am not getting the attendance list. Can anybody mail me? Hello?
So um, would have to search for the list.
Is Shivam in this batch? Shivam is in which batch?
So I think so. He's in a batch B.
Okay, so you, Hasnan, you tell me now. This batch A, it is there on the group, no? Let me see.
So I think I got this.
It is on the group. Let me see.
So can I share it with you? I found the
You got
list.
it?
Yes, sir.
Uh, yeah. How do you want to? Can you mail me? Arun B Rane at the rate.
O- Okay, I'll make it
You
now.
have my mail ID.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now batch A, it is starting from Bobde, correct? No, to Sanskriti Sabban. Okay. So there are 18 students, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
18, 18, 36, and then 37 to 51. So 55. Okay. 18. So I was thinking, no, but batch A, batch B, batch C is already defined, correct? No? Yeah. So there will be now there are 4 students in one group, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now what about Harsh and Sabban, Sanskriti, Harsh Patani and Sanskriti?
Yes, sir.
Please interact, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
So now which group you have joined? Harsh, tell me. Harsh, which group
Yes,
you have
sir.
joined? See, there are four groups, correct?
Yeah, group four.
So you have
Group
joined
four or
group
group.
four.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means you are with Upkar Nadar, Sahil, Vishal, and Omkar, correct?
No, sir. Upkar is not there. I think.
Upkar is,
Olaf, me, Vishal, and Omkar is there.
see, hello. Group one, please tell me. Group one, who are the name of the students? Group one,
Sir, I think it's Samyak, me, Yash, Rana.
Tamak, then Olaf, then Aniket, and Yash, no? It is
Yes, sir.
exactly as per the roll number, no?
Yes, sir. 4-4.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
It is exactly as per the roll number, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello, thoda, yesterday actually I had told you that you send me the list group, but nobody has sent me. See now what list I
I
have, that
think
is as per the roll
she,
number, correct? 8494, 8519, 8525, 8775. So that will be group one, correct?
sir,
And so
I
on.
think
Uh,
so. Hitendra sir had taken some other list. So because according to the group list which sir made, I am from group number 2, and my members are me, Siddhant, Valenka,
but
and
now
Rohit.
all the four groups are in this batch. ऐसा नहीं होना मानता कि ग्रुप में से दो मेंबर्स आर इन अदर बैच.
So all my members are in this batch.
Now what about other
Sir,
groups?
Aniket
Please tell
and
me faster.
Sanskriti are in other band.
Hello, sir. I've sent you a list. Just check that out.
Hello, Sahil. You
Yes, sir.
tell me what I'm asking. Now, suppose groups are formed randomly, not as per the roll number. But it should not
Mm-hmm.
happen that two members are in this batch and two members are in other batch. Is it so?
So I've sent you a list. That's according to what Hitendra sir formed.
I don't want that. What I'm asking you, reply to that. Okay, now there should be four groups. Today's batch, correct?
Yeah,
Now is all the members, group members are in this batch of
probably,
all
sir.
the groups. That is what actually I had asked you, no, yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Are you understanding what I am saying? ऐसा नहीं होना there are four groups. ऐसा नहीं होना कि some group members are in other batch. So they will have some other practical, no?
The group
Yeah,
four
right.
is full there in
And it was
batches.
decided yesterday कि we will go as per the roll number करके. Yeah. What you were telling? Somebody was telling.
Yeah, sir. Group four is there in batch A only.
So group four. So you just tell me the names. Group four.
Me, Vishal,
हाँ. What's your number? Roll
Olaf,
number? हाँ.
8789.
8789. Okay. 8789 Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Then
Then Vishal,
okay.
Olaf, and Omkar.
Okay. So group four. Group four.
Uh,
It
group
was
2
sub.
also.
But group two also. What about group one and group three? All the members are in this batch, and plus these two last two students. That is Sanskriti. She is in which group? Hello, Sahil.
Yes, sir.
You have to ensure that all the group members are in the same batch, no?
All right,
So
sir.
shall I go as per the roll number? 84. So first group 1 to 4, then 5 to 8, and then third group and fourth group will have 5 members. Okay. So there will be 18 students. Fine. हेलो साहिल क्या हो गया
So just a minute. Even I'm not sure.
Well, I'll just join in 5 minutes, huh, Sahil? I'm just coming from washroom. Sahil?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what I'm telling that it's better that we'll go as per roll number. Okay, so now there are 18 students. This is what I am saying. Yesterday also I said same thing. And then last group number 3 or group number 4 has to accommodate the extra students. It is up to you, between you. Either, matlab, I don't mind, even group 1 can take extra student or group 2 can take. But this last 2 students has to be accommodated in group, and all the group members should be in the same batch.
Okay, so who are those last two?
So like that you check for, now you check for B and C also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And let me know in 5 minutes.
All right, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bolo Sahil, what happened? So shall we go as per roll number if there is any confusion?
सर एक थोड़ा 5 मिनट देंगे, मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ लाइक नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स काउंट करने
ठीक
की.
है, आप बाद में करो. साहिल, you do it later, okay? Now whatever it is, I will say group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. ठीक है? ठीक है. So group 1 has to take this drawing. Sahil, later on you give me all the names, all how many groups? 12 groups, no? Totally how many groups will be there? Sahil? Hello? Hello, Sahil? He is not there. Sonia is there.
Sir, not in this batch.
Now Sahil is there, no? He has left the meeting over. Okay, Hasnain, what you do know, by 6 o'clock, you give me the names
Okay, sir.
of all the 12 groups. Okay?
Yes, sir.
There will be 12 groups, not 14 groups. Correct, no?
So total all over the class there is 14 groups.
No, but
And
now
I
it will be,
think
now there will be 12 groups, no? Hello, now there will be 12 groups.
um
Correct, no?
how, sir?
4 groups per batch,
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Okay? So there cannot be now. That was for first task, it was fine. Now forget that. Whatever Hitendra sir has told, it is not necessary that you should stick as per that. But now one batch will have
No, so the
4
thing
groups.
concerning is the will the like members are changing, like
So
accordingly we have
now
to.
one batch will have 4 groups. Fine. So like that there will be 12 groups.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hasnan, now you are into which group?
Sir, I am in second group.
Second group. Okay. So which component you have taken? Component number 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you tell me what is to be done here. Turning fixture will not be there. So there will be only milling fixture and drilling jig. Okay. So drill jig 12 dia holes. Okay. So this you have to make a jig for this. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me now what will be the, or you or your group members if it is finalized. But now at least you represent. Okay, and by 6 o'clock you see that you give me the names of all the members in a group, and there will be 12 groups. All right. Yeah. Now you tell me, and I will take randomly anyone since the groups are not formed. Randomly I will take anyone. Okay. So you please listen to what Hasnain is telling. Right? Rutika, your microphone is working now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. हाँ बोलिए. Hasnain, you have to make a jig for this diameter 12. So what reference you will take? Locating.
So for that 12 dia We can take a reference on the left side one.
From this,
So the left hole above.
you can see the drawing,
Yes,
no?
yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
tell, no, you speak in terms of dimension. Left mean कौन सा?
The 12 dia hole.
By the dia 12. So the boss diameter is 24.
Yes,
This,
sir.
no, you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
So it is not necessary. You can take the reference from this hole,
Yes.
center
Okay.
line, because the 45 distance is given. You have to maintain. See here. See, that is what you have to identify properly. So all of you, please listen carefully. How the dimensions are given. And the dimension of this hole is given from this center line. Okay, so that is 45, and dimension of this hole is given from the center line, that is 60. Now Hasnan, you tell me, see, don't feel bad, but what makes you think that you have to take a reference of this hole? If they would have given direct dimension, okay, this hole, like suppose if they see, there is a difference. See, there is a if they would have mentioned here 105 from this center line to this center line, then yes, what you are saying is right. आप बोलेंगे सर ऐड करके 105 होता है, बट नो, यू हैव टू गो एज पर द डायमेंशंस which has been given by the design engineer. He wants 60 from this center line and he wants 45 from this center line. Okay, अगर दोनों के बीच में अगर कुछ फर्क आता है, 104 आता है तो भी चलेगा, या 110 आता है तो भी चलेगा, सेंटर टू सेंटर आएगा नहीं, लेकिन आई एम टेलिंग यू, because in the assembly something is going to fit in this hole with respect to this, and something is going to fit with respect to this center line. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Sir, I said take reference from that hole because both the holes हम लोगों को एक ही डायरेक्शन में करना है. That.
हाँ, but नहीं, that is one thing, because the dimension is given. First you have to identify, all of you listen, you have to identify where the referencing is given. Okay, so referencing is given in this center line, that is one thing. Okay, second thing is, now ये जो सब, that means you are going to use this as a locator, correct? Diameter 12. All right, अभी ये diameter 12 is, it is open size. There is no tolerance given. Is there any tolerance given? Diameter 12 में?
No.
Hello?
No tolerance.
बोलो बड़ा फटाफट बोलो. There is no tolerance given. Correct, no? That means ये जो है, this diameter 12, it can be diameter 11 or it can be diameter 13. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now your locating pin size will be 12. If this, since this is open, this is open size, there can be variation up to 0.5. May not be up to 1 mm, but variation can be up to 0.5. Are you understanding? 12.5 भी हो सकता है, 11.5 भी हो सकता है. Okay, so if your locating pin size is 12, so 12.5 का अगर आपके पास component आता है जिसमें कि hole size is 12.5, then it will go डुगु डुगु, मतलब lose. और अगर 11.5 वाला आता है तो it will not enter. Understand, no?
Sir, but हम लोग सिर्फ एक ही लोकेटिंग पिन में लगाएंगे ना.
हाँ, अपना लोकेटिंग पिन, हेलो, लोकेटिंग पिन का साइज तो 12 रहेगा ना बॉस. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
What will be the size of the locating pin? 12. Okay. Now there are 5000 pieces. अभी इससे टॉलरेंस क्या है? What is the tolerance on diameter 12? Tell me.
No tolerance given.
So what? But for the manufacturing, you will have to give no. When no tolerance is given, that means it is considered as open tolerance.
Yes, sir.
But that doesn't mean that open tolerance. That doesn't mean what I am trying to tell, that diameter 12 का आप 10 बनाओ या diameter 12 का 20 बनाओ. See, like another example I will give. Say, अभी मैं 2 बजे का अपना क्लास है, तो मैं बोला अरे ऐसा नहीं, आप आ जाओ आपका कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से. तो 2 बजे का क्लास है तो आप 3 बजे आएंगे तो चलेगा क्या?
No, sir.
हाँ, तो मैं बोला आपका कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से आ जाओ, मतलब how much time you will take to join? Maximum 10 minutes, बराबर ना?
Yes,
या
sir.
15 minutes, but not 1 hour, no?
Yes.
Yes.
बट इफ आई से नहीं 2 बजे का है तो आपको 5 मिनट में या 2-3 मिनट के अंदर ही ज्वाइन करना है, अंडरस्टैंड नो? सो दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द क्लोज टॉलरेंस. अनदर जो मैंने 10-15 मिनट बोला वो ओपन टॉलरेंस, बट इन नो केस द टॉलरेंस इज नॉट मेंशन इन नो केस दैट 2 o'clock का लेक्चर है तो आप 3 o'clock ज्वाइन करें. नो वे, करेक्ट नो? So same thing is here, since there is no tolerance mentioned, that doesn't mean कि ये 12 का होल है वो 10 करेगा तो भी चलेगा या 12 का 14 करेगा. It will be in plus or minus 0.5. So अभी लोकेटिंग पिन का साइज 12 है तो उसमें 11.5 कंपोनेंट साइज है तो जाएगा क्या? It will not go ना. So that's why you have to take reference of this. यहाँ पे क्या है, आपका जो होल साइज है 40, that is maintained in 0.02. Understand no? So you will not get any component having bore size 40.03, or you will not get any component having size 39.99. Do you understood?
Yes, sir.
तो अगर आपका लोकेटर 40 का है तो ऑल 5000 पीसेज जो कि ये टॉलरेंस में है कैन बी लोकेटेड. दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू टेक रेफरेंस ऑफ दिस. Did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Somebody was trying to tell something. कुछ पूछ रहा था somebody.
No, sir.
नो ना, अच्छा. सो आपका हो गया, मतलब रेफरेंस यू हैव टू टेक सेंटर होल एंड यू हैव टू लोकेट द सेंटर बोल. बराबर है? व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज मेंटेन्ड इन closed column. Now what are the pre-qualifying operations before the components can be loaded on the drill jigs? What operations you are going to do? Hasnain, tell me.
This milling.
Acha, he has sent me, Sahil has sent me the group numbers, Hasnain, so I think you don't have to send it again. So group number 1 is Yash, Samyak, Renan and Shubham. Okay. Then group number 2 is Siddhant, Hasnain, Valenka, Rutika. Am I right, Hasnain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then group number 3 is Amok, Advait, Upkar and Sahil. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. And one more, sir.
And one more is where
From
is that
those
name?
2 extras that we have in this batch, no, we'll adjust that in this and the
But
next
you have
one.
not written, no? You have to
So,
write.
yeah.
So
I
you
haven't
resend.
written.
Then
Sorry?
group number 4 is Vishal, Omkar, Prashant and Harsh. So you have straight away gone as per the, no, you have not gone as per the roll number, no? That is with your own understanding. Fine, but now this is very good. Now what you have to do, I don't want to disturb this because it's up to you. This group has been formed by you and everybody
So,
agrees to it.
but in the end, like 3 and 4 will be having one more.
Huh?
3 and 4 will be having one more. So group
That is
3,
what that is what you have to include, no? You have to,
yeah, sir.
you
I
have to
think group
accommodate.
give you.
So you give that name also. अभी देखो, अभी सबन को आपने ग्रुप 5 डाला, ऐसा how it is possible? It is not possible, no? Sabban is in group 5, Aniket is in group 5, Sharma is in group 5, and Dheeraj
No, but
is
they are
in
from
group
the
5.
same batch, right? They are
Are
from
they
batch.
from they are from the same
Yeah,
batch? Sharma
yeah,
and Dheeraj?
yeah. No, no.
No, he's in B batch. B batch. He's in B batch.
Sanskriti and the next one, the other one.
So
Sharma.
Sanskriti and Aniket are in group number 5, but they are in batch number 8, and rest of their teammates are in batch B. Like other.
Hasnan, did you understood what I said? Sahil,
So,
you
the
just
thing is, hello.
सर का फोन है.
hello.
Yeah, hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
So the thing is, we have 4 groups ready as
Now
per
see,
list I have sent.
see, you listen to me. I want 12 groups. Okay. Listen to me. I want 12 groups, 4 groups in a batch. Okay. You have to adjust all the students in 4 groups.
So, but the thing is, the last 2 that we have, Aniket and Sanskriti, are in batch A. They are the extra ones, so we'll be adjusting them in 3 and 4.
That is what you adjust, no? And you give their names and send me the
Okay, sir, I'll give
list.
you
That is
their
what I
names
am telling.
immediately. Okay, okay.
Now you have adjusted. Now you have put them in group 5, and
Okay,
in
sir.
which 2 students are in batch B.
Sure, sir.
Understand, no?
I'll
So
send you.
batch A, 4 groups, all the students in 4 groups. Okay. So one
Mhm.
group may have extra. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So that is
Last
up
two
to
will be
you.
having extra.
लास्ट टू बोलो या ग्रुप वन में लेना है, दैट इज अप टू यू. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. इट्स नॉट
Okay, sir.
नेसेसरी दैट दे शुड गो ओनली इन ग्रुप 3 and group 4. Try to understand.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
They can come in group 1 also, they can come in group 2 also, but again you see that group 1 में 6 नहीं होना है.
No, sir. Last would be 5 people, not more than that.
Need not be last group 3 and 4. It can be group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, anywhere. Okay, but equally. ऐसा नहीं कि group 1 में 6 और 2 में 4 4 4. Not like that. Like that you do it for batch B also and batch C also. Okay,
All right, sir.
and send me the list. ठीक है.
Sir, I'll be sending you the list for batch A. The other two lists will be
All
sent.
batch A, batch B and C. You and Sonia, Paul, because
Sir,
Paul is
I'm
not
not the co-CR anymore, sir.
I know, but now you have to streamline. No, ऐसा तुम ऐसा में
तो
हमको.
बकरा में ही बन रहा है.
अरे तुम नदी में फेंक के कैसे जा रहे हो? हमको तो तैरना नहीं आता है तो कैसा चलेगा? हाँ, तो सोनिया तो बोलती है मेरे को कुछ कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
तो
हाँ,
शिवम मस्त है, आप ट्राई तो करो.
हाँ, अभी तुम करो, ठीक है, इतना करो, बाद में मैं देखता हूँ. ठीक है शिवम, तुम ठीक है.
अच्छा सर, ठीक
अभी तुम ये टास्क यू कंप्लीट दिस. ठीक है.
है सर, नो
ऑलराइट.
प्रॉब्लम.
अभी हसनैन ये देखो, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस लोकेशन. अभी this type of jig, it will be L type of jig, angle type. Okay Hasnan, it will
Yes,
be
sir.
angle type of jig. एंगल में ऐसा एक लोकेटर आएगा, इसके ऊपर ये लोकेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो दिस इज सिंपल. बाद में उसके ऊपर जिग प्लेट बिठाएंगे. यू ट्राई टू मेक अ रफ ड्राइंग, क्लैम्प बना, हो गया तुम्हारा खत्म. ठीक है.
तो वो जो प्री ये है, अब जो बेस है उसको फिनिश देना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ, अभी प्री क्वालिफाइंग ऑपरेशन क्या. अभी ये जो बेस है ना, दिस हैज टू बी मशीन बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू रेस्ट. करेक्ट ना.
यस सर.
And it is better that you machine this also at the same time. Assume that this is also machine and this is also machine. Assume it.
अपर पार्ट.
हाँ, हाँ, यहाँ पे होएगा ना रेस्ट. आइदर ये फेस या ये फेस को. आर यू एबल टू इमेजिन?
तो एक सबसे
ऐसा ड्रिल. हाँ,
नीचे एक बेस आएगा.
हाँ.
दैट वो पूरा कवर कर देगा वो.
So what you do, you make a rough and you send it to me. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
रफ स्केच. हाँ, उसमें आप कहाँ कैसे लोकेट कर रहे हैं, एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रेस्ट इट, यू जस्ट शो मी. ठीक है. देन वी विल डिस्कस. ठीक है. अभी ऐसा आने वाला है. इट मे हैपन यू. हाँ, इन दिस केस नाउ यू डोंट हैव टू मशीन दिस. यू कैन कीप अ वी ब्लॉक ऐसा नीचे तो भी चलेगा. आई एम सॉरी, ये फेस मशीनिंग करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
तो
बिकॉज
आप वो नीचे वाला
ये फेस कौन सा है? सी विच इज ये फेस जो बट होने वाला है ना, ये फेस, दिस हैज टू बी मशीन. लुक एट माय कर्सर. ये फेस कौन सा है? ये फेस है वो, ये है ना.
यस सर. टॉप व्यू में
either this or this has to be machine, only one face. Okay. तो वहां पे वो बट होएगा, बराबर ना. 90 डिग्री वाला जो एंगल प्लेट है उसमें. एंड यू कैन गिव अ सपोर्ट, बट दिस विल बी अ रिडंडेंट. ओके, दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. क्योंकि आप इसके ऊपर लोकेट कर रहे हैं, बराबर है, और ये फेस को बट कर रहे हैं, और फिर यही फेस के ऊपर, इसका सामने वाला फेस के ऊपर आप क्लैम्प कर रहे हो गया. यू अंडरस्टूड. तो सिंस यू आर क्लैम्पिंग हियर, दिस फेस आल्सो हैज टू बी मशीन. दैट मींस आपको ये मशीन करना ही पड़ेगा दोनों फेस. अंडरस्टूड. ओके, ठीक है. सो विल कंटिन्यू वंस द ग्रुप फॉर्म्स. फाइन, थैंक यू. हंसने ने बना के मेरे को भेज दो रफ ड्राइंग.
ठीक है सर, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ बना.
ट्राई नहीं हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
यस सर.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक
बाय.
यू.
थैंक यू.
ये मेरे को 6 बजे तक भेज दो साहिल.
ओके सर.